Meet Bob. He can put a smile on any customer's face. Bob is a support guy. Earlier, he had to depend on just email to do his job. His customers are everywhere now, but he still gets them to love him. Waiting for help is the bane of customer service, and Bob gets that. So he's just a chat message away, ready to jump in when he is needed. He runs to problems before they come to him. Twitter, Facebook, wherever his customers are, Bob gets there and gets there fast. In fact, he is so fast that he figures out what's bothering his customer by the time his phone rings twice. His secret? The customer history pops up as soon as the customer calls. So Bob has the answers ready. Hail holidays or a horrible cold, Bob is always available. He carries his help desk around with him and puts out fires effortlessly. Bob makes all of this happen with Freshdesk. Everything you need to deliver exceptional customer support.